Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1970 Ford-Shelby GT350 Convertible. Just an absolutely beautiful vehicle with lots of history. Again, a 1970 Shelby. It does come with a lot of history. Very iconic vehicle here. Convertible certainly adds to it. Comes with the 351 Windsor V-8. As you can see, the color is Gulfstream Aqua. Black interior, just an absolutely beautiful vehicle here. One of 57 convertibles built in 1970. You will see it does have Carroll Shelby's signature on it. Does come with an elite Rarity report showing the authenticity of the vehicle. It is in the Shelby registry. Just a beautiful vehicle here, absolutely. You see the 351 Windsor. As I mentioned, one of 57 convertibles built in 1970. One of 14 in the Gulfstream Aqua with the black interior. Just a fabulous combination here. As we walk around the car, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are in Sarasota, Florida on 301. Just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301. If you're not in Sarasota and you have an interest in this 70 Shelby or anything else you may see on today's video, please still give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota, as we do offer managed shipping. Last year we did ship to 9 countries around the world and 19 different US states, so we can get this beautiful 70 Shelby to anywhere in the world for you. If you have finance needs, we can certainly help you with your finance needs as well, as we do have several classic car finance partners that we work with on the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. There is a finance tab. Just go on the finance tab, fill out the finance app, and we'll get it off to the bank for you. If I'm going too fast with the camera, we do have over 100 pictures of this vehicle on our website. It is outside in better light. We do have it up on the lift as well, so you can see the underside. The trunk, engine compartment, interior. Again, one of 57 convertibles built. It does have heavy duty suspension, staggered rear shocks, power front disc brakes. Just a beautiful little vehicle here. Again, 350 Windsor. We'll go ahead and get the battery connected as we keep everything disconnected when it's inside. Show you that it is a cold start here. Get the keys out. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. And here it cranks right over. pins rattle. It does have hood pins. Again, just a beautiful, very iconic and historical vehicle in the muscle car era here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Again, if you have any questions, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. If you'd like to see further content, please see to subscribe below. If you like the video, it's always appreciated to give the thumbs up. Comments are welcome as well. Again, if I've gone too fast and you want to see a certain angle of the vehicle, please visit the website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. We have over 100 pictures of this very iconic, beautiful 1970 Shelby GT350. Again, one of 57 convertibles made in 1970. 351 Windsor V-8. Just a beautiful Shelby here. Again, thank you for joining in.